In this video, I'm going to share the one of the free indicator with you, which works better than smart money concepts in my opinion. And you will love this indicator because it will be going to tell you that by finding the delta, and it will find the volume pressure, like what is the volume ongoing behind for the selling or buying. And this is the much better indicator because as we know that when we use the simple smart money concept, still we will be deceived by a lot of signals, but definitely there will be some fake signals as well in this indicator as well. But overall, generally when we talk about the word indicator, so this is one of the good indicators that help you that, like for example, look at here right now, the red box is just plotted, so it's a kind of a signal for you that this selling pressure is going to build. So we are going to discuss this element in this video, and I will tell you how you can do well with this indicator. So before we jump into this video, so first of all, let me tell you that if you are still willing to join the best broker, if you are a small trader, if you are a big investor, then I will recommend the broker that I personally use from 2015. I have given the link of the broker in the description of this video below, and this broker offers you variety of trading accounts, like you can see Standard, Pro, Raw, Spread, Zero, but my recommendation is go with the standard account size that what I use, and this is one of the best brokers and that never cheat, and your deposits and withdrawals are quite fast. And moreover guys, if you are looking to buy my private indicator, and you can check it from my previous videos, so the private indicator is quite fantastic to use, which beat everything that is available on TradingView. You can check the details about the indicator in my previous videos. Okay, so I'm going to delete this indicator so that I should tell my subscribers that which indicator it is. So guys, you need to write delta zones buy. Okay, so once you write delta zones buy on TradingView, then this indicator will come, that is called delta zones buy sell pressure by Nathan Traders. Okay, and you can see it has so many likes, and those traders who have the good knowledge about the price action, and those who work on the factor of the delta, and those who want to those who understand this thing, that when the selling pressure of the market is coming and the buying pressure of the market is coming, so this indicator is this is one of the main tool for them to find the buying and selling pressure. Okay, so first of all guys, you should not treat this indicator with just like a buy and sell signals indicator. No, I'm not going to say this thing in my video because I know that many of the subscribers in the FX mentor community, they are a newbie. So if you are a newbie, you need to attach the second indicator that is going to help you with this one. For example, you must be already using some free strategy from the TradingView platform, so this will be your second confirmation indicator. So if you get the both same signals from your indicator that you are already using plus this one, then you can trust heavily on that particular trade. Okay, so for example, this is the Matic 5-minute crypto chart, and you can see it has built the red block on that time, and that was this that is telling you that the market can go down and the selling pressure will come. So this will basically calculate the delta of the market, and after calculating the delta of the market, it will highlight you with such type of, this is kind of a message from the indicator that the selling pressure can come. And after that, I have myself seen that the market went 2 candles down with that what I have seen. Now let's see on other charts. Okay, so for example, this is the wrong approach. Okay, so it was telling you with a buy signal almost here, so you should not consider blindly anything. Okay, so you can see still the market went down, but here when we talk about the delta buy sell volume pressure, that was the down pressure, and you can see the price was down. Okay, here signal was good, here the signal was also good. So similarly, you can use this indicator in any form like forex, crypto, stocks. So for example, look at this. It was the buying pressure, it went up, and then later on the next block was the bearish block, that the market selling pressure can come, and you can see the price is going into the downward direction. So let's see more examples. So for example, here we have a block of the bullish. Okay, so always you need to find out that which blocks are quite instant, because sometimes the block will come into the real time and they are more good. Okay, for example, look at this one. Almost it looks like the second block at this stage. This is called a real time the real-time block for you. And now what does it mean? It means that this could be a buying level for the market because the buying potential is going on. So guys, you need to use this indicator as a second confirmation with your strategies. Then definitely we have some fake signals as well. We cannot ignore this factor. Okay, so for example, look at this. Here we have the bearish block that is found that the selling volume can come. Now use your previous indicators that you are already using, combine it with this indicator, and then you can have a very good fruitful results. So guys, if you like this video, then please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and a lot of interesting content is going to be uploaded soon on my YouTube channel, and that will be quite unique. So make sure that you should be a part of the FX Mentor US community. Moreover, subscribers, those who are willing to get my private indicator, they can contact on Telegram. They can also send your emails on fxmentor1985@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.